This video is about circular economy. It's a term that we hear a lot these days. So, in this video we will explain the term circular economy and how the circular economy is reshaping the management practices. Firstly, we will explain the circular economy means.
Life is a circle. All that grows returns to where it began, the earth. And from there, it grows again, forming a perfect cycle. But we have broken that cycle. Our economy is growing unsustainably at the expense of nature. But we have created a linear economic model. Make, use, dispose. We extract millions of tons of natural resources every year and turn them into materials that we use and consume. And we simply throw them away. But what if we design the products that we can reuse, refurbish, and repair? And only extract new resources when we really need them. We will use less new materials and energy and protect our nature.
Next, we will discuss 5 topics about how does the circular economy reshape the management practices. So, let's get started. What can managers learn from circular economy to make them better managers? Are you aware of how the circular economy impacts management? Let's start with sustainable resource management. This concept encourages efficient use and conservation of resources, minimizing waste and maximizing productivity. It's a game changer, enhancing business operations. Sustainable resource management is a key element of circular economy, can greatly enhance efficiency and reduce waste in business operations. Moving on to the next crucial aspect, closed-loop systems. These ingenious systems are all about the continuous use of resources. Think of it as a cycle where waste is minimized and the resources are endlessly recycled. For managers, this is a gold mine. By implementing closed-loop systems, they can enhance business performance, ensuring resources are used efficiently and sustainably. And the cherry on top, implementing closed-loop systems can significantly reduce waste and increase profitability. Next, let's delve into product life extension. It's all about putting the brakes on waste and pushing the pedal on usage. Managers can do this by strategizing for durability, reliability, and upgradability, extending the life of products in a smart strategy to minimize waste and maximize use. Now, let's talk about collaborative partnerships. These partnerships play a pivot role in the circular economy, offering businesses the chance to pool resources, share experience, and drive innovation. Leveraging collaborative partnerships can significantly enhance sustainability and business operations. Next up, data-driven decision-making. In the circular economy, data is a game changer. It helps managers make informed decisions, enhancing business operations. By analyzing patterns and trends, managers can improve both efficiency and sustainability. Data-driven decision-making is a key improving efficiency and sustainability in the circular economy. Lastly, let's explore customer-centric design. It's about creating products and services that truly resonate with your customers. This design philosophy increases customer satisfaction and loyalty. In the circular economy, it becomes a win-win for both customers and business. To wrap it up, the circular economy offers invaluable lessons for managers. From embracing sustainable resource management, implementing closed-loop systems, extending product life, fostering collaborative partnerships, to adopting data-driven making decisions and putting the customer at the center of design, all these aspects can significantly enhance business operation and sustainability. By implementing these strategies, managers can lead the way towards a more sustainable future. That's how the circular economy can make you a better manager. Remember, a sustainable future starts with informed management.
What organizational changes could managers experience when transitioning to a circular economy? In the transition from a linear economy to a circular economy, managers may experience the need for increased cross-functional collaboration. This means the different departments within our organization will need to work together more closely to ensure the successful implementation of a circular economy practices. Another organizational change that managers may experience is an increased emphasis on innovation and research and development. This is because transitioning to a circular economy often requires the development of new technologies, processes, and products that are more sustainable and resource efficient. Managers may also need to oversee a transformation of the supply chain when transitioning to a circular economy. This could involve finding new suppliers that offer more sustainable materials or implementing reverse logistics systems to enable the reuse and recycling of products. The shift to a circular economy may require managers to adopt new business models. This could involve moving away from the traditional linear model of take-make, dispose, and instead implementing models that focus on product life extension, sharing platforms, or product as a service. Managers may need to invest in employee training and skill development to ensure that their workforce is equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills to implement circular economy practices. This could involve training employees on new technologies, sustainable practices, and waste reduction strategies. Lastly, managers may need to prioritize risk management when transitioning to a circular economy. This is because the adoption of new practices and business models can introduce new risks and uncertainties managers will need to identify and mitigate the risks to ensure the successful implementation of a circular economy principles. In summary, managers may experience several organizational changes when transitioning from a linear economy to a circular economy. These changes include increased cross-functional collaboration and emphasis on innovation, and research and development, supply chain transformation, adoption of new business models, employee training and skill development, and a focus on risk management.
Are there any advantages this has brought to a manager's job? The implementation of circular economy practices have brought on significant changes in the field of managerial responsibilities, thus offering many advantages. One benefit is the potential for substantial cost savings. Circular economy practices focusing on resource efficiency and waste reduction lead to sped-up processes and decreased production expenses. With this, managers are given a financial advantage, which they are able to use to strategically allocate resources, therefore promoting organizational resilience as a whole. Furthermore, embracing circular economy practices sparks innovation by encouraging creative thinking in managers. Managers are encouraged to try out new approaches to product design, manufacturing, and business models. This innovative mindset can open doors for new opportunities, leading to new revenue streams and market differentiation. Another advantage is the sustainable brand image that goes with implementing circular practices. This can be really good, as managers can use this positive image to attract a wide range of environmentally conscious customers, investors, and partners. This will help the company with its long-term success in the growing eco-friendly market. On the topic of customers, another advantage is the increased customer loyalty, as customers are more likely to support businesses that portray an environmentally friendly image. The implementation of a circular business model has benefited managers in their businesses, not only by cutting production costs, also by sparking innovation, improving customer loyalty, and supporting a sustainable brand image. By integrating circular economy practices, managers contribute to environmental sustainability, and by doing so, they unlock certain business advantages that positively affect the overall success of the organization.
What are some obstacles managers can face by implementing circular economy? Have you ever wondered what challenges managers face when implementing circular economy principles? Imagine a business, let's say, a plastic bottle manufacturer. They are considering transitioning to more environmentally friendly packaging. But what could possibly stand in their way? Fear of the unknown can be a significant obstacle. Implementing circular economy principles often implies a shift in business models, process, and mindsets. In our case, the business might worry about moving from plastic to paper carton, which, although lightweight, can easily break when in contact with liquids. Or perhaps they contemplate using glass, but the weight for a larger size may be a concern. These changes can create unease among employees and stakeholders who might fear job security or loss of customers. So, how can managers navigate these choppy waters? Clear communication is the key. Employees need to understand why changes are necessary and how they will impact the business. Involving them in the transition process can also help alleviate their concerns. But fear is not the only challenge. Shifting towards a circular economy often requires upfront investments in infrastructure, technology, and training. This can be a tall order, especially for smaller organizations with limited financial resources. The solution here lies in innovation and collaboration. Partnering with external stakeholders can help business overcome financial obstacles. In conclusion, the journey to a circular economy may be fraught with challenges. With effective communications, strong relationships, and collaborations, managers can successfully navigate these obstacles. By doing that, they not only drive positive environmental outcomes, but also create value for their business. The road to a circular economy may not be smooth, but it's a journey worth taking. So next time you pick up a plastic bottle, think about the challenges and opportunities it represents in the grand scheme of the circular economy.
The circular economy has greatly influenced planning and strategy management in companies. It's shifted the focus from linear take, make, dispose model to a more sustainable reduce, reuse, recycle approach. This means companies now prioritize long-term sustainability over short-term gains and incorporate recycling and reusing resources into their strategic plans. It's all about creating a system that regenerates itself, reducing waste and environmental impact. Companies are changing how they plan and strategize by focusing on sustainability. They are redesigning products to eco-friendly, working closely with suppliers to reduce waste and exploring new business models. It's like companies to close resource loops, providing ways to companies, strategic planning, and more circular principles. The great example is the clothing industry. Some fashion brands have started programs where customers can return used clothing. The company can recycle this into the new clothes, reducing waste and the need for new raw materials. It's a win-win situation. The next example is about the electronic industry. Some companies have started offering trade-in programs. When you're ready for a new phone or laptop, you can trade in your old one. The company then refurbish it for resale or recycle the parts into the new devices.
Inspired by nature, a circular approach would boost the European economy, contributing to innovation and job growth, as well as reducing pollution and helping the environment by preserving our precious natural resources. Carpooling, recycling materials, repairing and reusing, using green energy. Many things we already do are part of going circular. A circular economy is possible and brings new opportunities. And it isn't just good for nature and the economy, it's good for our quality of life and our health. A circular economy is a good way of living well within the limits of our planet.